Hi, it's Tim Bennett here. I wanted to give you a quick demo of how super easy and quick it is to set up a new chatbot for your website using BOB-E.ai. So first of all, head over to BOB-E.ai and click on the Start Your Free Trial button here. That will take you to an account creation page where you can enter your name, your email address and a password. There'll be a short verification process and then you'll be dropped into your new dashboard window. So from here, head over to your navigation on the left-hand side and click Chatbot, and then click My Chatbots. You'll be prompted to create a new chatbot. Click here. And from here, we can start to build out the base information for your new chatbot. So we're going to give it a name. We're going to call this one probably AI Demo. We can use the same name for the display name. We can set here the initial pop-up message that would display on the website, this little tab here. If we set that to 0, that will now appear. If it's set to -1, then it won't appear. We can then set a conversation starter. We can come back to those. And then we get into the actual knowledge base itself, the base system prompt. So we want to give our chatbot its name. So we'll call it BOB-E.ai. And we can come back and edit this as we do our training. But initially, we'll leave it as is, apart from changing that name. You can see here that we're set to use GPT-4 Turbo. The chatbot's going to be publicly available via a URL. And we can also add here a support email. So we'll just put in hello@BOB-E.ai. And we're going to tell it to use the BOB-E website. So we've told it that the chatbot is going to appear on that particular website URL. We're going to select debug mode and we're going to create the chatbot. So on this page now we can start to train our AI agent. So we can train with text files, PDFs, text documents, Word documents. We can use FAQs in a Q&A and answer format. And we can also scrape our website. So in this demo, we're going to create a scrape of the website. So we're going to ask it to go ahead and go over to BOB-E. The scraping system will scrape up to 100 pages in any one go, but you can also select it to scrape specific pages. I'm going to hit crawl website, and now you can see that it's actually crawling the pages of the website, and it's going to pull back those pages which are indexed in search. So really quickly it comes back with those pages that it's found, and I want to train our chatbot on all of those pages with the exception of some admin pages that the crawler's brought back. So we're going to deselect the ones that we don't want. And then click train. So once we've added the URLs, we'll get this pop-up window which tells us that the chatbot's been successfully trained. We can click awesome. And then we can start playing with the actual chatbot itself. So there are a couple of other things that we can do. We can go over to appearance. In our appearance window, we can change things like the font size, the speed that the chatbot replies with. This is set to fast. We can also add our logo and we can change the colorways as well. We can also set the agent status messages. These are editable. And then we go ahead and click save. So once we've clicked save, we'll end up back at our dashboard window where we can actually start to use the chatbot and ask it questions. So I've asked the question, tell me what BOB-E.ai chatbots can do. Hit send, and we're seeing these little prompts pop up here, information prompts, just to give us an indication that something's going on in the background here. And within a few seconds, we should start to see an answer being generated. And there you go. So this information has been pulled from the knowledge base, the base system prompt, and also from the website pages which have been scraped. And this chatbot now is ready to deploy onto your website. You can, of course, spend a bit more time doing the training. You can add more content into your knowledge base. You can look to set up lead capture, scheduling for appointments, and analyzing of conversations. You can also share this chatbot with your colleagues, so you can get a shareable link. And this is where this particular chatbot will open and show in a web page. And you can also embed it directly into your website, either in the form of an iframe or as a widget, as we have over here. So I hope this demo has been really helpful. I hope you like BOB-E. Give it a try, get some free credits to play around with the system. Let me know how you go on in the comments. Thank you. See you soon.